Hey everyone, thanks for joining me and the sidekicks for another video. So it's early in the morning, it's really nice outside, and I had to get the sidekicks up because they wanted to stay in bed. So Zena's here. Can you say hi? Wyatt's here. There he is. Wyatt, can you say hi? He's ready for nap time. You say hi? And for today's video, I have a heavy box, an Amazon Prime wardrobe style box for you, meaning that I did not pick these items. I had a stylist pick for me. And I know in my previous videos, several of you have asked me how I did this. And I had an option to pick the style wardrobe. And the easiest way for me to do it was just to search it. You go in and, type in style box and it would come up. But I have a feeling maybe I was part of a beta program, because it wasn't like one of the options in the drop down. But now I still type in the search bar style box on my app. You always had to do it on the app before. I haven't tried it yet on the browser. But I always type in Prime Wardrobe style box and it comes up now. And now it must be an official thing because they charged me $4.99 for this box. I never got that charge before. But for $4.99, they send you, you get a stylist, you fill out a profile, and you do it each time that you do it. So that way if you have, you don't do the full profile, but you can add some additional comments, like you're looking for things for an event or for a refresh, fall refresh, for example, or, a business event, something like that. And then your stylist goes shopping for you. I know I'm in the shadows, guys, sorry. But your stylist goes shopping for you and presents you with several items. I think it's probably about up to, I think it's like 10 to 12 items. And then you pick 8 from that grouping and they send them to you. You try them on, you have 7 days. I'm running out of time because I was out of town. But you pick 7 of them, they ship them to you, try them on, keep what you like. And then you pay for them, check out, send back what you don't, right back in this box. It's double sticky right inside the flap. Put them right back in, send them back, UPS. Nice and easy. So, and you can tell them exactly what you want. You get a price sheet right inside, a return label for anything you don't want. It's pretty easy, and I enjoy the style box so much better than when I was shopping for myself, because I would get quite lost in what was Prime Wardrobe eligible and what wasn't. So let's dig into my box. And I came and looked at it again, it's too heavy. I've got 2 pairs of shoes here. And let's see, what else have I got? Everything comes in the packaging. So we will get it all out of the packaging and go through everything one by one. But there is definitely 8 items in here because I picked, I have a jacket. Some denim, something white. I already forgot what's in here. Let me get everything out of the bag, and I will be right back. All right, everything's out of the packaging. Let's do this. First up is a pair of AG jeans in a gray color. These are nice, some awesome stretch. They're the Jody Crop High Rise Slim Flare. They do have a raw hem. You can see the flare there at the bottom. Those are cute. I like those going into fall. Hopefully they are a crop on me. We'll see. That's the first thing. Next is something leopard. Oh, this is cute. This is a little, very lightweight jacket. I would almost call it a cardigan, but it's so lightweight. But it is a jacket. That is so cute. By BB Dakota. Did I say that? I like that. Next is a dress by French Connection. It's a little wrap at the top. Pleated here at the waist. It comes in here, cinches here just a little bit at the waist where it crosses over, and then has these pleats, and then has a little bit of a flare. Oh, it even has, and it has a little slit here on the offside. That's cute. I think it's 3/4 sleeve. Yeah, that's interesting. Next is a jacket. It's a faux leather by Blank NYC Moto, like a true Moto here. Check that out. Isn't that cute? This one has some weight to it with all the hardware here, the buckles at the bottom. So it's got some weight to it. So this one should be fun. Get all this paper off of it. Okay. There's so much. Next is a pair of Joe. Is this Joe? Yep. Joe jeans. Aren't those different? Look at the knees on those. They have like the patching. This is the boyfriend straight ankle. It's called the ex-lover. They have a raw hem as well. Those are very different. These are the collector's edition. Fun. Then a basic white top from Calvin Klein with a little bit of extra little sheer hem. It's a pocket. It's a sheer little pocket there as well. It's a cute basic. All right, let's see what shoes I bought. Noisy truck. What's that called? Some kind of, I forget the name of those kind of brakes, right? Pink. These are a very pale pink. These almost would be more spring summer, I think. Calvin Klein, pink shoes, sandals. All right, that's one. And the second one is Franco Sardo. These are pretty. These are a light blush color. This is a wedge with a high ankle. These might not be bad going into fall, but these would have been better in the spring as well, I think. What do you think of these? You have a buckle here. Not bad. All right, so we'll do pricing at the end, so let's get to the try on. All right, so I have the first three items on. First up is this little top, which has the t-shirt hem, comes down on the side, the little sheer bottom, so that's what makes it the t-shirt hem part. You can see otherwise it's straight across. Has a little pocket tee here at the top. It's just a nice little basic. Nothing wrong with it. It's cute. I do have it on with these pink shoes, which I am totally not feeling. They do have an asymmetrical look to them. They do have the stiletto heel, but my foot already wants to like slip off the side of them, and I'm not really loving them. They look kind of plasticky to me. I think because of the, I don't know, a little bit of the shininess. I'm not sure what it is, but there's something about these that I'm not feeling. So I'm not loving these. The jeans I am loving. You have to tell me how you like the bottom, the little kick flare here with the raw hem. I love the color of these. I'll just see how much these are. They're AG, but I don't remember them being pricey whenever I picked them. I'm sure the original price of them was, but I don't remember that they are expensive. They're a little bit more of a high rise. I think the kick flare is kind of fun. I think they have a great fit. There's no room in them, which is nice. Yeah, so I'm liking these. I think they just are a fun jean going into fall. I've been moving around, so I was trying to smooth them a little bit so you guys could get the best look. But I think they're kind of fun. I like this gray color. This is a nice pretty gray going into fall. I'll get a little bit closer. You guys can see this kick flare. I think they're kind of fun. All right, let's do another outfit. All right, so I left the shirt on so that I could show you the next items, which is this very cute little animal print jacket. I believe this was by Dakota. It's super, super soft. It's a thin, nice layer, so you could wear this underneath a coat going into colder temperatures. And I put it on with these Joe jeans, which are so fun. They have the raw hem and these perceived patches, but it's really not. It's just discolorations, really, so no actual patches. And I have on the sandals, little wedges as well, in this blush color, which is actually a really fantastic color. So these do come up higher on the ankle here, and they do have these cute little buckles, so the color is fantastic. And I'm really liking this little jacket. I love the fun leopard print. I don't really like it with the white shirt. I think it would need a nice color. I think a wine or a dark plum would be really pretty underneath this. So the sleeve length is perfect. It's just a cute layer going into fall. So I am liking this a ton. I don't know how much it is, but I hope I can afford it because I actually really like this. The jeans I actually like as well. These are Joe jeans. These are a boyfriend, but they actually fit very well. I have a little bit of room because they're relaxed. They're very comfortable. I don't mind the patches. I think they're cute. Something different for my closet than the typical jean. There's no distressing. They're just a fun look. The shoes I'm not so sure about. They come up kind of high on my ankle. I'm worried they might rub, but they would be nice, I think, going into fall with the blush color. So when the days are still a bit warm, you could still be wearing them. Plus, they'd be good for spring and summer. So I'm not sure. These I would have to wear around the house for a while to see if they hurt, but I can feel this on the top of my ankle. So that's the rundown. Here's a closer look. And I have one more outfit for you, so I will be right back. Last two items are up. This is the super fun Moto jacket in this, I believe it's faux leather, though I can tell you it feels real. In this very nice coffee color. And then I have on this fun dress with this super cute slit here on the side, which is a fun little addition. So here's the entire, and I put the shoes back on, and I moved the buckle one. So now it's on its a bigger setting. Like I've moved it out a bit to see if that doesn't feel better, and it actually does. So here's the full look, and I'm kind of liking this. Although you guys have to tell me, because you know I have, if you watch my videos, you know I have a jacket fetish, so I'm a hard one to rein in when it comes to jackets because I love them, especially a cool Moto, but I'm loving this jacket. Length is perfect on me at the sleeve. Has all the hardware from snaps to zippers, so it actually snaps here, zippers up. I mean, everything is here. There's nothing missing. From the buckles in the back, it zips, it snaps, it buckles. Has all the snaps the whole way around the buckles as well. Like every detail you can imagine is here. So you can buckle this. It's such a pretty color, so it's such a nice neutral. It will go with everything. It's fully lined. It has the zippers on the sleeves as well. Hopefully you guys can see this. Shadows aren't getting in the way. Very cute. Alright, so the dress is also very cute in this fun just black and cream and I guess tan coloring. This fun slit. I would love to put, I think I would put a fun color, like a pop of burgundy or pink. Shoes would be what I would probably do. I put these shoes back on because they were in the box. But this is a cute dress. There's no concern with this coming open, as this is nice, pulled pretty good here, so that wouldn't be a concern. The 3/4 sleeve would be nice going into fall. So what do you guys think of this dress? Alright, so that's everything. Let's do a wrap up and talk pricing. So I actually really enjoyed this haul. I think my stylist did a really awesome job. Just pulling pieces based on, the profile's not overly big, and they don't ask you a ton of questions. I do believe I did give direction about fall, so I think she did an awesome job. I'm happy. Alright, so first up is the AG Women's Jody Crop Surfer Fog Beacon jeans, and I liked them. They are $98.30, which is not bad for AG jeans, which typically run around $200. So I'm thinking about keeping these. I liked them. Next is the Franco Sardo Women's Quintana Wedge Sandal, which I still have on. That's the last item that I tried on, and I would have to wear these around the house. I'm torn on them. I kind of like them because I really like the blush color. I think I could wear these into fall. They would look really nice with jeans, crops. So they're a maybe. I need to think about them. They're $76.95, so not a bad price. I think it's the color I'm really loving, and I do like wedges. All right, next is the, I'm gonna sneeze. Okay, and it didn't come. The blank, it does say Suede Moto Outerwear in French taupe. So it says it's suede. It does feel like suede. And I love this. Yeah, wait, I think it is. It's actually suede. Oh, I love this. It's $153.65. What do you think? It smells like suede too. Yep. I'm really liking this. It's a maybe as well. I'm going to see what I can afford out of here, but I really like it. $153.65. Let me know what you think about that one. Next is the BB Dakota Women's Alea Drape-Front Leopard Jacket, which I also really liked. $80.77. This is so buttery soft. I like that you can wear it underneath jackets. So I'm thinking that I liked as well. Darn it. Then we have the Joe Jeans Boyfriend X Lover Boyfriend Straight Ankle Patchwork Jean. These were only $33.20. I really liked these. I'm probably going to keep these for that price. Joe jeans are generally more than that, so I really like these. I thought they're fun. Let me know what you think. Then we have the French Connection Women's Jersey Wrap Dress, $94.52. What do you think of this dress? For $94.52. I'm not sure. The slit was a little bit high, possibly for work. I'd have to think about that. If I can't wear it for work, then I'm not sure I want to keep it. So I have to think about that. The Calvin Klein Women's Lancey Heeled Sandal in pink, $90.54. These are a definite no for me. And the Calvin Klein Women's One Pocket Shirt in white, $37.12. That was this one. And that's probably a no for me as well. I have other white tops. I don't think I really need it. So I think I like too much. So I might have to give up this dress because I liked everything else. But I do like this dress as well. But I think I might have to give this one up. Yeah. All right. And maybe the sandals as well and wait till next year. Because those weren't cheap either, right? I'm going to have to think about this one because nothing was super cheap. So I have to think about the things I would get the most wear out of, right? So help me pick. What were your favorite items out of here? I will list all of them below and put the links to each of them below in case you want to check any of them out, because of course you could just get them right on Amazon, or you could try them in your own Amazon Prime wardrobe if you wanted to. I would love it if you'd hit the like button. I would love it if you'd hang out with us for the long haul and click that subscribe button. If you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you so very much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, everyone, have an awesome, awesome day. Bye.